like, sub, bell. Hello, this is Puddle, welcome back. To be a writer, to write a story, game, screenplay, comic series, whatever, learning is so important for improvement, and setting up steps is huge for making progress on goals. But above all, you can't judge your progress if you don't have anything done. And by done, I don't even mean complete. I made a video some months ago about fleshing out your characters with my best tips for developing them to be more realistic or compelling to a reader. But harsh truth, nothing you think of for your OC matters if you aren't writing it down. Your brain is an incredible vessel of cool ideas, repeating song snippets, and motivating shower thoughts. An amazing story is gonna leak out of it drop by drop. Are you gonna collect them in your hands to appreciate them only in that moment? Because the longer that you hold them, the more those important ideas are going to slip through your fingers. Your mind is amazing, but it can't hold on to everything it creates. And that's because it's constantly taking in and expelling information. And that's good, that's what it's supposed to be doing. But you need another vessel to hold all of those ideas dripping out. So, say that you thought of an entire backstory to a character that makes so much sense as to why they react to a certain story note that you want to include later. Now catch the droplets in a cup or a bowl and filter it down into something that you can present to others. And that means writing it down, and reflecting on it, and editing out stuff that doesn't work now that you've taken time away from it. My big point here is, no matter how impressive your memory is, you are only hindering yourself by relying entirely on your memory to keep your story notes in check. Stop trying to remember all the little details. You want to be a writer? Write it down. And I want to say a quick thanks to all the stars in my Patreon constellation. I make a lot of stuff, and y'all are the ones making it possible, so thank you.